Exciting insights into the leaked M4 MacBook Pro. Today, we dive into the world of leaks surrounding the highly anticipated M4 MacBook Pro. This exciting new device has generated a considerable buzz, particularly after a popular YouTuber named will manage to acquire an unreleased version of the laptop. Let's explore the intriguing details behind this leak and the potential features of Apple's upcoming device. The source of the leak. The hype began when Will obtained the M4 MacBook Pro from a private group where it was unexpectedly listed for sale. This discovery sparked immediate interest in the tech community, with experts analyzing the authenticity of the device. A closer examination revealed that both the serial numbers and the macOS wallpaper provide strong indications that this is indeed a genuine product. Adding to the intrigue, Apple recently acknowledged that around 200 laptops were stolen from their production line. This admission further solidified the authenticity of the leaked device and heightened the excitement around this rare, early look at the M4 MacBook Pro. Key specifications of the M4 MacBook Pro. Performance enhancements. The base model of the M4 MacBook Pro is set to come with 16 GB of RAM, which promises exceptional multitasking capabilities and a significant boost in performance. Notably, the device will feature a third Thunderbolt port, offering users even more flexibility for connecting peripherals and external devices. When comparing the performance of the M4 MacBook Pro to other Apple products, it is slightly more powerful than the M4 iPad in terms of single-core tasks. This means that for daily tasks and standard applications, users can expect a smooth and responsive experience. Multi-core performance. The device truly shines in multi-core performance, where it outpaces the M4 iPad by an impressive 15%. Furthermore, it's 27% faster than the previous generation M3 MacBook Pro, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need robust processing power. Expected launch and market impact. The M4 MacBook Pro is expected to officially launch in November 2024, aligning perfectly with the holiday shopping season. This strategic timing allows Apple to capitalize on the high demand for upgrades during this period. Consumers now have several months to consider whether to invest in the new model. The extended anticipation gives potential buyers ample time to evaluate their current devices and determine if the M4 MacBook Pro meets their needs. Environmental considerations. One notable change with the upcoming M4 MacBook Pro is its packaging. In line with Apple's commitment to environmental sustainability, the device will no longer include Apple stickers in the box. This decision is part of Apple's broader initiative to reduce plastic usage in its packaging. However, for fans of the iconic Apple stickers, there is still an option. You can request them from Apple Store employees, who will happily provide them upon request. In summary, the November 2024 release of the M4 MacBook Pro is shaping up to be a major event in the tech world. With its enhanced performance, new features, and environmentally friendly packaging, it is set to be a significant upgrade for both professionals and casual users alike.